Evening, everyone. Panic gripped Wall Street today over fears of a U.S.-China trade war and the health of the global economy.
Yeah, the Dow plunged 800 points, prompting worries about a possible recession. Take a look. This is live look right now at the world markets, and you can see Japan, London, Germany all down right now. Hong Kong, the only one there in the green. So what do today's losses mean for your 401k, jobs and businesses? Breaking news anchor Thomas Forster joining us in the studio with that answer.
Yeah, Jim, according to GoBankingRates.com, 2/3 of America's finances are woefully unprepared to withstand another recession. Now, one expert we spoke with tonight says everyone needs to have a plan. During the last recession in 2007, millions of Americans lost their homes, jobs, or businesses. With that in mind, we reached out to Schubert Sinus of Northwestern Mutual Life Company in West Palm Beach. He says there are some steps you can take to protect yourself from a recession and mitigate the damage it can cause you.
The first thing I would say is call your financial advisor and make sure you have a strategy in place. You may need to revisit your risk tolerance. Risk tolerance is basically how much risk can you take, how much risk can you stomach when you see the Dow drop 800 points.
Adding to the Dow's 800-point drop today, 10 of the 11 market sectors were in the loss column as well, with energy, consumer staples, and financial services leading the way. Sinus believes unless you're retiring soon, you should leave your 401k alone. The market will go up again.
And the plane starts shaking. What do? Do you jump out of the plane or do you stay put? If you jumped out, the chances of you making it is slim to none. But if you stay put, the pilot might have a good chance of landing that plane and you might make it safe.
Historical data shows the U.S. averages a recession every 6 to 7 years. Sinus says start socking away a little cash to give yourself a financial cushion. Figure out how much each paycheck you'll need to set aside to reach your goal, whether it be 3 or 6 months or even a year.
My advice would be to save a lot and invest for the future, invest for the long term.
Now, Sinus also says it's important for anyone, no matter what your age, to have a plan for retirement or investing money in anything. Failing to plan, he says, is planning to fail. Jim?
All right, thanks, Thomas. And the U.S. is not the only nation on edge tonight across the globe. Right now, 5 big economies are at risk of recession, and it won't take much to push them over the edge. Eyes are currently on Germany, the British economy, Italy, Mexico, and Brazil, as each faces pressure over unemployment and rising debt. Stay with CBS 12 News for continuing coverage of the market meltdown. Tune into CBS 12 News this morning starting at 4:30 a.m.